Welcome to Wigglesticks TV.
Just pulling into the track here bright and early, looking like a cracking day today. I think it's going to be around 30-35 degrees. Hopefully it's under 30, but we'll see what the forecast is like. All the other boys pulling up now, so a few R1s, Aprilia, Fireblade in the back. So yeah, it should be a pretty good day. So the first process here, we need to go sign in, get some indemnity forms done, and get our wristband. Thank you, sir.
You're not media, are you?
No. Cool bike, just caught my eye. You can't beat the old Corona Extra colours. Very nice. This guy actually knows what he's doing. Nice. Pretty sure he won't be in the slow group. Try and concentrate on what we're doing here a little bit. So I'm just going under the main straight now into the pit area. For those who haven't been to the island before. Normally a good spot to test the exhaust note in this little tunnel. And we're in. So back into the pits. Good thing about getting in here this early is that you can park nice and close to where your garage is. Still pretty empty in the old pits. Pole position with the Panigale, I like it.
I reckon we've got the oldest pair of bikes, haven't we?
96, 92, 3.
93. You're the oldest. I'm the oldest. The old man in the group. start.
I was going to come out, but we were back in after the first session. The bike went really well. Brakes and everything feel awesome. Tyre got a decent bit of wear on it, so still pretty conservative. Yeah, we'll try and get her over a little bit more for the next time. Still got a ways to go on the front, but easy days. It's really just about testing the bike and yeah, seeing how she goes. So all the other boys are back safe, so yeah, happy days. Good day. So I'm just sitting up on top of the pit roof now. My audio went a bit crazy with the microphone, so I'm recording this after standing up on top of here. But it was just such a great day. So glad the bike went well. I just took it really easy most of the day and sort of gradually just build up a bit more speed, just keeping an eye on the temperature. Tyres got a little bit fried in the last session because I think I didn't check the tyre pressures. But overall, it was a really smooth day. None of the other guys had any issues. So yeah, it just worked out really well. I'm so happy the bike went well. I love the sound of the exhaust going into MG when you shift down a couple of gears, and then just the burble the exhaust makes. The sound the exhaust makes is really nice. I'm just itching to get out for the next one. So I think we're going to head to the track again in another few weeks' time. With any luck, I might get the flat sides on before then, but just depending if my airbox shows up or not. So yeah, super happy with how the day went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.